Oh, how cute. What are they? Cuties. What's your name? Lots of stuff. Okay, well, I'll go to...
Well, you probably get bottles. Ross or Michael. That little spectrum.
Hey!
Gumby? Is that Gumby?
Yes.
Get her too.
Sorry, I didn't mean to disturb you.
Sorry about that.
Lie down. Lie down. Leave her.
She only does it through a kennel.
Lie down.
Mm-hmm.
Territorial.
She knows they can't get to her.
That's
She's
right.
the biggest wuss in the world. You done? You ashamed of yourself? You ashamed?
Stay. How you doing, Martha?
Are you sure you don't want a kennel or X-Pen, Debbie? I want it.
Is somebody getting attitude?
Only in kennels. She knows they can't get to her in a kennel, so she gets brave.